Here's where Doug plowed the other day. Now he's going to come through with the tiller. Here's our onion bed. He's going to till that up first. This is probably where our corn's going to go. one of the chickens' favorite time of year. They're getting all the little bugs and they're loving it. And here's our tater patch. Doug done tilled that up. We'll be planting those pretty soon.
Alrighty, we're about done. We'd plowed it the other day, and you can see over here is where I come through. It's still pretty cloddy. So what I've done, this next step, I'll come down through real slow, and it breaks up most of the clots. Just trying to get ready. Spring's a coming, hopefully. Alrighty, I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe, Lord willing. Be seeing you soon. This here's going to probably be our corn We're going to plant some outside tomatoes over there on the other side, move them this year. But yeah, I'll make several more trips up through here and try to get that there broke on up.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homesteading's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homesteading's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homesteading's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homesteading's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homesteading's home.